Welcome to this tutorial on how to utilize effects mode on the Nikon D750 as an alternative to focus peaking. Ensure your D750 has effects mode on the mode dial. Using the command dial, navigate to the color sketch option and choose it by pressing OK button. Customize parameters such as line thickness and color vividness for enhanced focus feedback. It's possible to increase the displayed line width, outlines, and color intensity, vividness, of the color sketch effect. Setting the outlines to the maximum line. Thickness can provide a clearer visual indication of focus. Switch camera to manual focus mode. Manually focus on your subject until it appears vividly in focus, resembling a sketch. Once satisfied with focus, switch back to your desired shooting mode. Capture your shot. Avoid capturing images directly in color sketch mode to prevent a cartoonish effect. Note that using effects mode may slightly slow down live view and decrease frame rate.